Look what the postman got me. A Tefal OptiGrill snacking and baking box. It's basically like a small oven. This fractal cauliflower was only thing in my fridge, so let's make something out of it. Oh man, it's beautiful. So we could make some cauliflower gratin out of it, so let's put some potatoes on the base and cauliflower on top, like that. Here are other ingredients, let's mix those in the bowl. So egg and oats cream, coconut drink, paprika, white pepper, ground black pepper and salt, and mix. Pour it on. Little cheese on top and it's good to go. Just place the baking box into the OptiGrill and let's put this in medium for, let's say, around 30 to 40 minutes and let's see what happens. It should be around 200 centigrades and boom, there we have it. Perfect cauliflower gratin. And cauliflower gratin looks a bit lonely, so let's fry a whitefish for the friend of it. And then we got a decent dinner. So this was the first time I used this baking box. And I think it's a good addition to my collection. So in the summertime when we are having barbecue, I think it makes barbecue easier. I don't have to run in and out all the time. So waiting for the summer. Thank you very much, hope you liked the video.